Hello and welcome guys. Today we are learning about important function that is lambda function in Python. A lambda function is a small anonymous function which returns an object. The object returned by lambda is usually assigned to a variable or used as part of other bigger function. Instead of a conventional def keyword used for creating functions, a lambda function is defined by using the lambda keyword. Function objects returned by running lambda expression work exactly the same as those created and assigned by defs. There is a key difference that makes lambda useful in specialized roles. So lambda's body is a single expression, not a block of statements. So this is the major difference. And the structure of lambda creation is lambda, arguments, and expression. So let's see the example of the subtraction normal function def sub num1 num2 and return num1 minus num2. And if we see the same functionality using the lambda function, then sub is equal to lambda ab a minus b, or we can say here just a b a b. So this is the simplest way of creation the functions or the some functionality with the lambda expression quickly, and you can print the result with this, like run it, then it is returning the, and if here we return the print just sub and call 10 and 4, we just need to call the print inside because it will return the value. If we see now it is run and run. This is just a normal subtraction, 6 normal subtraction and 6 with lambda. Here lambda result. So if we see here, this is the similar way, and in the same way you can create the square normal function and the square squaring lambda function just in a similar way, def square num, and here we can say just x x and x. So here this is the simplest way, and to creating the functions here, the missing parenthesis and call the print. So here we go, yes.